guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Samantha and I do bleaching videos, so I'll be doing a video on the Caro Light today. So stay tuned, sit back and relax and enjoy my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the notification bell so that you can get notified when I upload a video, and share it to your family and friends. So stay tuned and enjoy. Alright, you have Caro Light and you have Caro White. Both of them having hydroquinone. And you know that hydroquinone is damaging to the skin. And you just have to know how to use the cream. And also, you cannot use this cream too long. If you use this cream, the Caro Light, and you see that it is working nicely for your skin, you don't settle for Caro Light or Caro White. You have to settle with something soothing to the skin. You have to use oil in this cream, honestly, because if you use it on certain part of your body, you're going to get stretch mark. And if you stop using this cream, you know say you're going to get dark. So you have to use the oil with this product. And I would not advise anyone to use any form of lightening gel in this product. This product is already made to whiten your skin without you have to add any extra to it. Honestly, yeah, because I've seen people using this cream and it works for them. It works nicely for them because they use a small amount and they're patient with it. Some people just want to hurry up and bleach with this particular product and just dab it all over them face, and then you see this big crusty burn mark in your face. You can't even go out in the public. Remember guys, it's your face you're dealing with, that you have to know how to deal with your face. Take time. Act like your face is a baby face. You know me I talk about. So make sure you know caution upon the face. Because it's not for waste. No waste your face cream. Yo. And the ice cream. You see me I say? Anyway guys, this is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed. Have a blessed day. Please like, share, subscribe, comment down below. I have more videos on my platform. You can check it out. And please tell a friend to subscribe. Bring over your friend, man. Send them in your WhatsApp. Send my link in your WhatsApp. Yeah. And your Facebook and your Instagram. Big things. Yes. Don't think I don't see the subscribe them coming, guys. I thank you so much. Yeah. Big up to all of the people that will subscribe to my channel. Big up, big up, big up. I will be doing a shout out. One of these days, when I reach 2,000 subscribers, I'll be doing a shout out. Make sure shout out, you know, you see me? Make sure you're always a subscriber. You see me, all the small YouTubers, and big up on yourself. Yo, you don't know, it's a girl Samantha, and I'll sign out. Big up yourself. Caro Light, Caro Light, Caro Light, Caro Light, Caro Light. Yeah, but the bleachers them. Yeah, yeah.